All right, so check this out. We got some crypto analysts out here trying to buck up XRP, trying to say that the market's going to run 250% after, that's the key word, after the final price dip. Now, who in the world is this crypto analyst? Let's go ahead and scroll down, look at this article real quick, because it comes from crypto analyst Dark Defender. Now, that is somebody that you may not want to get price predictions and forecasts from. Someone with a moniker or title with Dark Defender. But apparently, this particular article, which comes from News BTC, felt that Dark Defender needed to shine a light on his predictions for XRP running up to 250%. Let's break this down real quick. He breaks down his key takeaways for XRP amid recent price action. Now, what has been the price action in XRP? Boom, right there. Okay, this is the recent price action for XRP. It was trending up, but now you guys can see over the last couple of days, it's been trending to the downside. So what possibly could Dark Defender be talking about to his followers? I want you all to see all of the technical jargon that this article breaks down from Dark Defender and as to why people are confused as to where price is going to go. Because all of these technical jargon utilizing technical analysis, the more that you add, the more confused you'll be. And then the more that you have to say, well, the price could go up and it could also go down. Here's one technical indicator that he also implies, the RSI, Relative Strength Index. He goes on to write or say, and I quote, RSI has been forced to stay below the resistance trend line. So that's one condition right there that you have to consider for XRP to go up 250%. This condition has to be met in order for you to actually think about XRP running up to 250%. This RSI being forced to stay below the resistance trend line is stating, according to Dark Defender, that bears are currently in control, exerting downward pressure on the price. You don't have to have RSI. You don't have to have support and resistance lines on your chart just to figure that out. You can just visually see off the price bars alone that market is trending down. It doesn't require a technical indicator called RSI to see that. Next thing, price has been in a symmetrical triangle formation, another technical indicator or technical jargon. Symmetrical triangle formation. What in the world does that mean? So that's another condition that you have to see come to fruition or pass before you can consider XRP running up 250%. Now, that symmetrical triangle formation started November of last year, which is considered a bullish continuation pattern. So hold on. In one instance, bears are controlling the market, and then in the next sentence, he goes on to say that with the symmetrical triangle formation, that bulls are running the price. The XRP price has already been rejected 3 times at the descending resistance line. And then it goes on with the RSI again on a 1-day chart, has also formed a descending trend line. Each time the price was rejected at the resistance line, there was also a rejection of the RSI at the trend line. Okay. What else is Dark Defender trying to say? Because it looked like he's confused. But more than confused, it looked like he's leaning more towards what we already can see visually on the price chart for XRP. Price is going down. That's all we need to know. We don't need to create some triangles and rectangles and shapes and octagons and hexagons on the price chart just to figure out, okay, price in XRP is trending down. Dark Defender also wrote, and I quote, check this out. XRP moved towards 52 cents to 53 cents as we expected. The target area was 52 cents, almost 53, and XRP closed just above that level yesterday and had a break on the RSI. Well, this man or woman is definitely reliant upon RSI. This is a great sign for XRP shortly to try the 60 cents resistance. But of course, we'll be more than happy to see XRP breaking 66.5 cents first and proceed with the initial Fibonacci target of wave 3 at $1.88. So this man goes on into this article, is picking up on Dark Defender, and he's talking about RSI. He's talking about a symmetrical triangle formation. He's talking about Fibonacci. This man is literally, that's why his chart looks so confusing. Look at that chart. What are you trying to say? Where are you expecting the price in XRP to go? Break this down. This is so confusing and complex. When all you want to know is, okay, where is price going to go? Is it going to go up or down? Does it really require a RSI? Does it really require you creating a symmetrical triangle formation? Does it require you to create a Fibonacci retracement on your chart just to figure out where price is going to go? So apparently, to see XRP go to $1.88, that must be 250% move higher. So the moment that he went and wrote or said this quote right here, it says here, the next paragraph, the game plan was invalidated as XRP closed below 52, almost 53 cents, and the RSI trend line. Wait, hold up. So you're trying to tell me that this man used all of these technical indicators and it still was invalidated? So what's the point? Why do I need to use RSI when it shows that it also can be invalidated? That is useless at times. Why do I need to draw a symmetrical triangle formation when it comes invalidated? So now the analyst identifies two key support levels. So once that game plan broke, let's go to plan B. Let's focus on support lines now. The trend line support at 50 cents and the Fibonacci support at 46 cents. These levels are now considered pivotal as XRP trades under the 53-cent threshold. Oh, so now it's pivotal. Now it's important all of a sudden for you to pay attention to these support levels of 50 cents and 46 cents. Now it's all important because your original analysis didn't consider that XRP was going to continue to go down in price. But since it did, so now you got to go to plan B and tell all your followers to go ahead and focus in on 50 cents or 51 cents and then 46 cents now. Dark Defender emphasizes the importance of these supports. So 51 cents and 46 cents supports become more important now. Oh, thank you for that. Thank you. We see that now. The daily RSI indicator also suggests that XRP is in an oversold region. Okay, that doesn't mean that it's a buy though. It simply means that no one wants to purchase XRP at that particular price. However, the analyst cautions that the weekly frame trumps the daily. This man is confused. This man or woman, whoever, is confused. He's looking on multiple different time frames, the daily, the weekly, the yearly. He's utilizing multiple technical indicators, trying to figure out where price is going to go. And when he uses those technical indicators and price still breaks those indications, then he runs to the next thing and say, all right, we need to see the market hold support here. When the whole time, the price chart in XRP was already showing you that price was weak. It's there. We talked about this on our video when we created this price prediction all the way back there on the 17th of January. The market in XRP didn't come to this first buy zone, which was one of our first targets. So congratulations to those who's able to take some off there. We could get rid of it though. And then we created this bigger buy zone down here for XRP. Market currently is holding it. But still, did you get some of that profit out the market that we talked about on our video in XRP? If so, congratulations, because at the low, that is around 15.3%. Simple, right? That's the market is more concerned with supply and demand. It's more concerned with going to where there is people willing to purchase XRP and people willing to sell. It's not concerned with RSI. It's not concerned with being oversold or overbought. Is more concerned with where is the business, where can most transactions occur in the cryptocurrency space. That is what the market is always on the lookout for. So let me look at this on the 2-day time frame. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're going to clean up this chart a little bit And we're going to get rid of this trend line here into the market in XRP. And these are our zones. This is where we're focused on this particular channel, is the buy and sell zones. Up here at the top is where we suspect selling pressure to increase, and down here at the bottom is where we're expecting buying to increase, buying pressure. Okay, so here it is on the 2-day time frame. Pretty good to see the buyers hold the market so far in that buy zone there. Here it is on the 3-day chart. Okay, so not too bad. Here it is on the 5 for XRP. Again, it doesn't look too bad. Now, I would like to see the market buyers trade above this line here though. That would be a pretty good indication that the market is at least trying to run up to like 57 cents. Okay, so let's wait and see if those buyers will be able to take XRP above 55 cents. Because that could be like another kink in the chain to say that the market is still maintaining its bullishness. Okay, here it is on the 2 weeks. Let's look at this on the 3. XRP on the 5. And the monthly chart. Okay, so I really don't see too much in terms of what market price action is trying to do in XRP. So what we're going to do is just going to continue to go forward with our original analysis, looking for the market in XRP to hit these buy zones. It may just hold this first buy zone, so be prepared for that, like it already has done already. Okay, so that's it. Go ahead and give me your thoughts though about technical indicators and people who utilize it and try to justify their premise as to where price is going to go, and then when it doesn't, they got to run to something else and try to say, all right, cool, let's go ahead and focus in on these areas now. Like, you always will be playing behind. In this game, you have to think forward. You have to think ahead of your competition. Where are they trying to go? Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.